All right, serious question. Is cracking your knuckles a skill, or do we all just do it randomly?
Oh, there's a technique, and if you do it wrong, you'll just end up awkwardly stretching your fingers. Step 1. Relax your fingers. No unnecessary tension. Step 2. Apply gentle pressure, not like you're trying to break your own hand. Step 3. Feel the satisfying pop and enjoy your newfound pro status. By the way, if you've ever tried cracking your knuckles and got nothing but silence, hit the like button.
All right, time to become a professional knuckle cracker. And if you think this will be a complete failure, subscribe now.